Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials: your Exchange or Office 365 account, credentials, and a reliable network connection. Once done, open Outlook and go straight to Account Settings. You will disable Cached Exchange Mode and Force Online Mode. This is the only way to keep Outlook operating live with the server. Make sure your client version supports MAPI/HTTP. If prompted for credentials, enter them and allow Outlook to test connectivity. Do not skip the connection test. Next, you perform the core configuration. In Account Settings, edit the mailbox, uncheck Cached Exchange Mode, and confirm using MAPI/HTTP or Exchange Protocol via Auto Discover. If the client won't switch, create a clean Outlook profile and add the account explicitly as an online Exchange account. Make sure Outlook's Work Offline toggle is off, then let the client complete the Auto Discover and Modern Auth prompts. This establishes a persistent online session rather than a cached local copy. Finally, restart Outlook and verify the status bar shows connected or online, then open several folders and send a test message to confirm live server activity. Make sure large mailbox folders finish syncing and that no offline labels remain. If things go wrong, recreate the Outlook profile first, then check Auto Discover, credentials, and any VPN or firewall blocking MAPI/HTTP. If persistent failure occurs, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to collect logs and fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.